Love this idea as tabletop Twitter. And so on here, I was on Twitter and there was this post, and it looks like you could do this, digitally or on paper. But I just kind of took it and kind of added different icons. But I just kind of really like that idea of students kind of doing a freer version of Twitter, is kind of what I was thinking. So they write real quickly what was happening. What did they learn? And again, they only have less than 140 characters to describe what they're learning. So this is going to be like a very, very short type of tweet. Once they have that, they're going to sketch it out. So they could take a picture of it on their Chromebook by doing it on paper, or they could use the drawing tools up here to sketch it out, or maybe find an image or make an image on Canva or something like that. So again, they might make a graphic, a diagram, or a quick sketch that's going to capture that big idea. Then they're going to use a hashtag. And so for hashtags, they're going to summarize their main idea by using hashtags. So again, they're just going to type real quick, maybe 1 to 2, maybe 3 different hashtags about like what this whole topic is about. And then the final activity is they're going to share this with a friend, and I kind of like this idea. They share their tweet, their photo, and their hashtag with a friend, and that friend has to add to it. So they have to like level it up by 1, and the friend's going to go in and add it to it. And again, I found this on Twitter, but down here is the original version that I had in my Google Drive, and I'm not sure like where it came from. Lead forward. So down here, lead forward. So again, here's the other version if you want this version of the icons. But I just grabbed these icons on Canva to kind of make it look a little cleaner and stuff like that. So can't wait to see how you're going to use this in your classroom.